Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use form wizards effectively. Form wizards are powerful tools that guide users through multi-step processes, making complex tasks feel much simpler. They break down large forms into smaller, more manageable sections, typically presenting one step at a time. This approach helps users stay focused, reduces errors, and improves overall completion rates, leading to a more positive interaction with your application or website. When designing your form wizard, careful planning is key. Begin by mapping out the entire user journey, identifying each distinct step and its objective. Group related input fields together to ensure each step is focused and easy to understand. Visual cues, like a progress bar or step numbers, are crucial. They provide users with a sense of advancement and an estimate of how much more is left, keeping them engaged throughout the process. Implementing the logic behind your form wizard involves several key components. Employ conditional logic to adapt the wizard's path based on user selections, ensuring relevance. Real-time validation at each step is vital, offering instant feedback and preventing errors before submission. Furthermore, provide intuitive navigation with clearly labeled Next and Previous buttons, allowing users to move forward or review their entries effortlessly. To optimize your form wizard, adhere to best practices. Aim for brevity in each step, ideally presenting no more than 3 to 5 input fields to maintain focus. Crucially, implement a save and resume feature, allowing users to pause and return without losing their progress. Finally, rigorous testing across diverse devices and browsers is essential to guarantee a seamless and accessible experience for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.